Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel, and as you can see by the title of the video, I'm going to be showing you all how I achieved the messy bun with the fluffy edges, as you can see in my thumbnail in this video today. So right now all you see me doing is brushing up my hairs, and I'm just going to gather that hair into a ponytail just to get the hair out of the way so I can easily mold it into the position that I wanted to be in. So today I actually worked on blown out hair. I didn't straighten my hair, it's just an old blowout. And it worked perfectly fine for me. So if you are wondering if you have to straighten your hair completely to achieve this style, you don't. So I'm just taking my pump it up spritz and taking it around the perimeter of my head and just molding it up by brushing it. I didn't use a blow dryer or anything. I just brushed it up and let it dry on its own and set into place. And that's pretty much all I did for this portion, and I'm going to come back and talk to you guys when I start to do the actual styling process. So right here you'll see that I start combing out my edges. So to achieve the fluffy edges, I actually forgot to pull them out prior to, but normally you will pull your hairs out prior to molding the ponytail into place, but I forgot, but it still turned out the same, so fear not. So basically I'm just coming out where I want to have those baby hairs and those edges, and really this is up to you. You don't have to do it specifically in any position. It is a messy bun, so feel free to leave out as much hair as you want. It's really just catered to your liking. So that's all I'm doing in this particular section, and I'll come back when we start to style and curl the ponytail. So now that we are tightening the ponytail up, it's finally done. Just make sure that everything is smooth and ready to go so that you won't have to keep going back and forth and pulling the ponytail out, putting it back in. So now you're just going to see me wrap it around, and I'm going to wrap the band around the ponytail one last time like I'm doing right now when I decide that I'm done wrapping. So this is going to be the framework for our ponytail. So I'm just going to take a rubber band and wrap it around that hair and kind of start forming the size and the shape of the ponytail. My hair is still kind of short, so it won't look as I guess neat as other people's, but it's really up to you how you want it to look, how sloppy you want it to look. But mine is gonna lean a little bit. I always struggle with my hair leaning, and I'm just trying to position it the way I want. So you'll see me go in with one rubber bands as well as bobby pins just to secure it into place. So now that we have that ponytail into place, we're just simply going to start curling the ponytail. So I'm going to take my 1/2 inch Kiss flat iron, and I'm just going to take random pieces throughout the ponytail and curl them. You're going to see me struggle a little bit just because, like I said, my hair is still short, so it's not going to curl as easily as other people's. But like I said again, it is a messy bun, messy ponytail, so it really doesn't matter. Just, it's going to give the girls what it needs to give regardless, okay? So now that we have the ponytail curled up, now we're gonna go to the back pieces. This is really simple. You're just gonna curl it like you would do with flat irons any other way. I'm just using the smaller one because that's gonna give me a tighter curl. Um, and you'll see that again on this side. And I kind of wrap, I guess, towards my face. You don't have to wrap this way. This whole hairstyle is really just up to you. And I'll comb them out later just so eventually they're going to drop anyway, so I kind of try to get a nice curl so that when it drops it's still defined. So now we're going to curl our edges. This is how you get those fluffy edges, y'all. So you curl them first, curl them towards your face very tightly just so you can get a shape into them. This is going to help them curl and curve like they be doing on the wigs and stuff, okay? Now be very careful, you don't want to burn your forehead. So you just see me wrapping it real tight, and basically you'll see that I'll comb them out later and it's gonna pretty much be in the shape that I need it to be in, okay? So now you see that I'm using the Got To Be glue spray wax. It's not the regular Got To Be glue spray, it's a wax spray. And I think this gave the perfect hold for these type of edges. The Got To Be spray is going to leave that tough, dry looking consistency, crusty. This does not do that. It literally gives you a light feather hold. I love it, and it really wasn't hard to work with. As you can see, look, already there. I used a toothbrush and that's that. I mean, like, give the girls edges, okay? So I'm just doing it to this side as well. and they came out so cute. I mean, like, come on. They are so easy to do. Um, Honestly, these edges look better than edges that you would do with gel, honestly. The only thing about it is the humidity and, freezing up throughout the day. They don't stay in place as long and all of that. Also, the fact that you have to apply heat to your edges almost every day. Like, I wouldn't do that. Don't recommend it. But they're cute for styles like this or styles with ponytails, wigs. Definitely would suggest these baby hairs over the gel um, form type of baby hair look. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, from here on out, you're just gonna see me customizing it even more, just making sure everything's to my liking, and that's pretty much it. I mean, like 5 minutes max, for real. Like, if you know what you're doing, 5 to 10 minutes max, and you can have this hairstyle, do your makeup, put your heels on, girl, and you gonna be out there, okay? So I mean, pretty much this is the finished look, y'all. Anything from here is just customization. Thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. I hope this helped and made things a little more simpler, and I hope you like it. Okay.